Okay, so I see that many people have joined. Our today's webinar is about CiviMobile app and precisely about the future of CiviMobile roadmap, insights, and opportunities. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for using CiviMobile app. And since you're at this webinar, you already know something about the CiviMobile application, or you would like to know more. And today's topic is about presentation of what we are working on the insights of the community overall. And I would be also glad to collect your feedback. At the end of the webinar, you will see the QR code to scan and leave your feedback, but I will tell you everything after all. My name is Tatiana Olyarchuk. I'm a project manager at Agilyway for CiviMobile and CiviCRM projects. And on today's agenda, we have a few topics that I would like to cover. And first of all, it's a CiviMobile feature recap. So I'll present you the recent updates that we made. You can download, you can see, you can comment, of course, on the features. After that, I will present you our roadmap and what's next for CiviMobile. You're also welcome to leave your feedback, to ask me any questions you have. Branded application, of course, that's about opportunities of CiviMobile, about its flexibility. And of course, the feedback and Q&A session. So in case you have any questions in the meantime, you can text them in the chat, and we will get to them at the end of the webinar at Q&A session. So before we talk about the roadmap, I'll tell you a little bit about CiviMobile application in general. What it is. CiviMobile is a native mobile application that allows CiviCRM users to leverage the combined benefits of the software in their smartphone. So when mobile devices become our reliable organizers and companions, it would be great to have the CiviCRM system that you use every day for your work in your mobile device and use it on the go. So CiviMobile empowers organizations to access, update, and manage their CiviCRM data anywhere without relying on laptops or even unstable internet connection, as CiviMobile offers offline features. Yeah, and before we move on to what's next for CiviMobile application, let's have a quick look at where CiviMobile stands today. So yeah, CiviMobile brings the power of CiviCRM right into your pocket, making it easier for organizations to stay connected, to be productive whenever they are, whether you work in a field or you're out of the office. You can easily access the data. You can change the data to you, and it will be synced right into your CiviCRM system. The application allows you to manage contacts, memberships, events, cases, contributions, activities, and it's all directly from the app. You can also register for events. You can check in participants if you're an event organizer. You can log activities. You can track relationships. You can even manage projects or appointments that you have within the organization. And CiviMobile also offers offline data access. So, for example, when the connection got broken, you will still jump into what you have been doing while having the stable connection. And for example, for managers, it's a great tool that improves coordination, responsiveness, engagement of their staff. And for users, it's an intuitive, modern way to interact with the organization. So yeah, in short, CiviMobile breaks the gap between CiviCRM laptop version to your mobile pocket. Okay, let's jump into recent updates. If you follow in CiviCRM community or you're already using CiviCRM, you know that recently there were announced standalone version. And of course, CiviCRM is adapted to the standalone version of CiviCRM. Since June, we support full functionality compatibility of CiviCRM standalone version with the CiviMobile version. So now you don't need to have TMS system for connection to your Civi mobile application. So whether you are new and you have installed CiviCRM standalone version, you can also install CiviMobile, and it will work perfectly as before it used to work with the CMS systems such as WordPress, Drupal, or Joomla. And from your end, you don't have to do anything technical. Just install the extension on your standalone version, log into the app, and it will get you connected to your CiviCRM system. Okay, and one of the recent update that we released is the advanced group management. So now in CiviCRM mobile apps, groups can be found in the menu marked groups. After clicking on the item, you will get the group screen open. You will see a list of existing groups. You can use filters for groups. There also can be researched by name, creator, type, visibility, and status of the group, such as enable or disable. Yes, and each filter is cumulative, meaning that each selection you make will be added to the search for a specific group. You can also view the details of a group, and you can create the group that will be responsive in your CiviMobile and CiviCRM organization. But before you explore the new groups functionality, you just need to update the extension on your existing CiviCRM, and then you will have everything available on the phone. Okay, so maybe many of you asked whether we can show what's next for CiviMobile. Maybe we can share our roadmap, and we have recently conducted a form where you could leave your feedback. You can ask some questions. You can ask for any features that you like and any features that you use for your organization, or the ones you would like to have on CiviMobile application. And from that feedback, we shaped a few items that are on our roadmap as a first-time development. Many of you know that the AI world has been developing extremely for the past few months or years, I would say. And of course, CiviCRM is adaptable to the AI trends, and we want to stay in touch with every trends that are in use and that are that bring value to CiviCRM and of course CiviMobile app. And from this feedback, we gained a few items. So first of all is the AI business card scanner. So we're introducing the AI-powered business AI scanner tool integrated with the CiviCRM and CiviMobile. It allows users to quickly add new contact just by scanning a physical business card with their phone camera. AI tool automatically recognizes and imports key details into your CiviCRM, like name, email, phone number. It's tailored to save your time and reduce manual entry. Of course, you can check whether the details are recognized correctly. You can manually change them, or you can rescan the card if you find it not recognized as you would like. The second feature would be event ticket and device wallets. Event management is the most used feature in CiviCRM overall and in CiviMobile too. And many of you organizing events with having tickets or QR code scanners, and somehow you need to get the people checked in. So since that's the most used feature in CiviMobile too, we added the ability to store this event tickets directly in your device wallet. So currently it's working with the CiviMobile app in a way that you only have the QR code appearing on your phone. And this feature means that participant can access their event ticket instantly at check-in without opening the app. They can make registration smoother and more professional with having the ticket added into your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. The third feature that we are working on is advanced contact sorting and filters. That's been also a quite popular request at the form that we shared regarding the CiviMobile feedback. And this improvement is tailored to simplify your sorting and filtering possibilities in CiviMobile, so users will be able to quickly find the right people. With these sorting options, they can be sorted by tags, groups, or even custom fields if you have some. So it will make contact management much faster and more efficient, and also tailored to each organization's needs and details. Next one is Civi appointment improvement. Many of you know that CiviMobile appointment has been recently deployed into CiviMobile application. We have conducted a few webinars too. So if you'd like to explore this extension, then you can go to our YouTube and then check how it works. But we've been constantly improving this extension based on the requests we gain from the customers and on the requests that they have for this extension. So yeah, we will be expanding appointment management, and in the next few releases, Civi appointment will allow user to give feedback, to reschedule appointment, to create group appointments and recurring appointments too. These features already exist on Civi CRM extension version, so you can explore it from the web Civi CRM, and in case you'd like to share any feedback or you come up with any features that you would like to have in the CiviMobile application, then you can just let us know, and we'll add it to the roadmap as well. So yeah, it helps you to manage meetings, volunteers, and it improves your time management as well. And while we're talking about time management, the last feature that I have on the roadmap is a calendar integration. CiviMobile events and activities will be synced seamlessly with Google Calendar or Outlook. So your schedule stays unified across platforms. And it's a big step toward making CiviMobile a central part of your daily workflow. So you don't have to manage a few calendars separately. You can add events or activities into CiviMobile, and in case you have any other calendars in use, or you're using your native phone calendar application, you will have it appeared in your general application, and of course in CiviMobile too. Yes, and all of these updates focus on the same goal. We would like to make CiviMobile faster, smarter. We also listen to your feedback, to your requests, and all of these roadmap items were shaped from your perspective on the CiviMobile, and based on your organization's daily workflows too. You're free to leave any feedback if you have it at this point, but next we will jump into each feature separately. So first of all would be AI business card scanner. I'll just briefly tell you about it. The idea is that users can quickly add new contacts to CiviMobile by scanning a physical business card using their phone camera. The built AI tool will detect text on the card, will extract key details such as name, organization, phone number, email address, job title, postal address, and AI tool will map them to appropriate CVCRM contact field and automatically add new contact. AI also uses contextual understanding to guess missing field labels, such as if it recognizes John Smith as an organization name, you will be able to change it into person's name. And AI also analyzes correct common spelling mistakes such as capital or small letters. And it's able to identify unclear fields like custom fields. Users can preview what the tool has recognized and confirm the extracted data before saving it directly into CiviCRM database via this CiviMobile application. The next feature, as I presented, was the possibility to add event ticket into device's wallet. This feature aims to improve the participants' experience by integrating CiviMobile with the device's native wallet applications, such as Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. So, for example, when the user registers for an event, they can save the ticket directly into those apps. And at the event, they simply open the wallet, they scan the digital pass, and in this case, they don't need to dig through emails for ticket or navigate within the app, especially if they don't know where the ticket is originally stored. For example, they are first-time visitors at the event. Maybe that's a small feature, but it's powerful addition to reduce check-in stress. It saves time for the organizers, so the person doesn't stand holding the line. And in general, it's a professional touch to CiviMobile and the user experience at the event. It also supports branding recognition. So, for example, if you have your logo, it can be added into the ticket as well. Next feature is advanced contact sorting and filtering. This feature enhancement focused on the most powerful feature of the CiviMobile is contact management. As every organizational databases grows, finding the right contact can be tricky. And our idea is to make it as smooth as possible to reduce timing for this basic everyday routine. Users can now filter contact by groups, tags, roles, event participation, custom fields. It can be all found via filters or sorting features. And the idea is to help users stay organized and effective, no matter how large their contact list is, the organization. Okay, so the next feature we have is a calendar integration. This integration connects CiviMobile application directly with Google Calendar or Outlook. So the two tools, that users rely on every day for daytime management. CiviMobile can sync any events, any activities that they have, perhaps appointments in the future too, so they can be managed all via one application, and you can simply jump between the two. And it can be, of course, used on any phone, any desktop or tablet. Yeah, and this feature eliminates double scheduling. Sure, it improves visibility across teams, across platforms, and it helps users to plan their time. The next we have CV appointment improvements, and yeah, that's the core feature for organizing events, consultation, or volunteer shifts. If you have used CV appointment extension, please let me know in the chat. It would be great to know your experience too. It's also about scheduling. But with the new release, users will be able to provide feedback, reject appointment, reschedule appointment, suggest new time slots, and it's all within one extension, one CV appointment integration. Yeah, and we also introducing support for group and green appointments. We have been asked a lot about this feature, and finally, it's on our roadmap, and you can explore it in web version of CV CRM and the CV appointment extension too. It's tailored for organization that running regular meetings or, for example, training sessions. Yeah, so this enhancement reduce back and forth communication. For example, that someone booked a meeting and you are not available at that time, you would like to reschedule. Now we can do it all within the app. You can suggest different times, and you can be flexible. You can be over the control of your own time and of your own schedule. Okay, and the next one that I would like to remind you about, because we have been having this opportunity for a long time, you can have a branded application, especially for your organization, built on CV CRM and CiviMobile. So instead of having regular CiviMobile application, if you would like to have it branded, it will include your organization's name instead of CiviMobile. Your logo, colors, your domain will be hard-coded. The themes of use are updated, tailored to your organization, to your customers. Within this option, we are publishing your branded application either on our Google Play Market and App Store, or either on yours. That's totally up to you. And one of the great features that are included in a branded application would be custom functionality that you can have developed for your users. You can have, of course, upgraded it to the recent versions of CiviMobile and to the recent features that you have. And yeah, we also offer yearly support. So in case you need any updates, improvements, it can be all discussed, and we can develop any features that are applicable for your users and for your customers too. Yeah, and I'd like to remind you of the benefits, of course, of the branded application. So first of all, will be gaining exposure for your organization and mission. We can establish long-term relationship with the organization members. And in case you're organizing any events, you can have users register through your application. You can also have anonymous users to access the app. to register for events and, for example, to see the news of the community of your organization, and you can get it easily managed. And yeah, of course, people won't see that it's running under the CiviMobile brand, but you will have it developed as your separate application. Yeah, and here you can see a few apps that CiviMobile customized. They can be found on App Store in case you would like to explore a bit. But I've placed a few options that we have developed, and these apps are seen under the CiviMobile on the App Store and Google Play Market. But of course, if you like to have it stored on your organizational App Store, we can totally do that. So it's up to you to decide whether how you would like to manage your application. Yeah, and I've included a few screens, so you can see that each organization has different colors, different branding, different labels, and it still looks great under each organizational colors, and you can customize each screen that you have. Yeah, and regarding the branding application, I would like to remind you of Build My App option. Before you sign in for the branding application, you can explore whether you like the colors of the app, whether you'd like it to change, and you can access the URL address that you have on the screen right now. And you can explore different colors, branding. You can add your logo. You can see how the app will look like. So in case you decide of a purchase of a branded application, you can already simply text us the colors that you need, and we can get the app running smoother and faster. And the last one, we have a Q&A session. And of course, as I mentioned at the beginning of the webinar, we are conducting user feedback. You can scan the QR code that you're seeing on the screen right now. This feedback is to gain your experience, gain your perspective on the application, and get your ideas for development. So we always like to develop features that are useful for each organization, for your organization especially, and we would like to focus on the most used functionality that will be unique for everyone, and of course useful for your users too. You can also visit the website to explore more, or in case you have any questions, you can text us at the info@CiviMobile, or we can organize the demo session too. On our website, you can see different options. Of course, I'd like to remind you also about the permissions that we list on our website, in case you're already using CiviMobile application and you would like to explore more, or in case you have any troubles, you can visit our website and find the answer there, or text us. So yeah, I would encourage you to use the QR code listed here. So you can leave your email there too, in case you'd like to be contacted for some more information, for your feedback. Please share your experience, and of course about the roadmap. We are shaping it based on your feedback. So if you have any special requests for your organization, you can also leave it either there at the feedback form, or you can text in the chat, and yeah, and we just get it started. We'll shape the requirements to get it developed. If you have any questions at this point, let me open the chat. Where is the searching? I see filter, but not search. Yes, this feature is still under development. So we'll announce the release. It will be in a few weeks from now. And yeah, I only showed you the mockups for sorting and filters screen. It's not added yet because it's in the roadmap and in the plan of the for the development. So yeah, but in case you have any preferences where you would like to have the search option, or in case you have any preferences for searching, perhaps some fields that you would like to see, you can also leave it either here or text us. It will be even better to make it upon the request too. Okay, we have one more question here. How can organizations contribute ideas or feature requests to CiviMobile roadmap? You can send us an email into info@civimobile.org, and we'll get in touch with you regarding the idea you have, or perhaps you have an idea for your branded application, or if you like to have any custom development done for your branded application or CiviMobile, then we can get it discussed and it will be put into our roadmap. Okay, one more question that we have. Are there training materials or onboarding resources for organizations new to CiviMobile? Yes, on our website, we do have a session how to start using CiviMobile. You can go through documentation as well. You can go through permissions to see whether how you would like to customize the CiviMobile application. So, for example, if you have users that need to see only contacts or events, you can also done it through configuring permissions in administration area of your CV CRM. So you can visit our website and you will see any documents that you need, and the checklist, of course, how to get started with the CV CRM and CiviMobile too. But first of all, I'd advise you to install the extension on CV CRM application, and then you can download the CiviMobile through the QR code, connect it to your website, and get it started with the features it has. Okay. Do you have any other questions, or maybe any feedback that you would like to share now? I would encourage you to text in chat. Would it be possible to send contacts as default? Yeah, we do have an option to set your starting screen. It can be either calendar, event, or cases. But I think that's a great idea to get contacts as default too. Hi, Stefan. I see that you've raised a hand. Would you like to ask a question in voice?
Yes, please.
Hi.
Hey, so I was asking those questions in the chat as well. I got a question regarding more than one instance of CVCRM and changing between them. So I'm managing CVCRM for 4 organizations. And so I want to be able to change easily on the mobile device from one to the other, but that's really cumbersome. That's really difficult. So it's not storing anything. You have to fill out everything every time. So that's really a problem. I don't know if other people need it as well, because it's maybe it's a bit special case for me, but so that's one of the things I would really like. So you have the option to choose between the different accounts or before you when you open CiviMobile. That would be nice.
Nice. That's a nice request.
And related to this, but it's not. So when you open your CiviCRM on your computer, you get the QR code at the bottom right, but it's not useful there because when you're on your computer, you don't want the QR code. You just want to use CiviCRM. And when you're on your mobile device, you would need the barcode, but you don't have it because it's showing on the CiviCRM on your computer. And when I'm using my mobile, it's because I'm not at my computer. So that's a bit, I think it's a bit unuseful to have the QR code in CiviCRM. But the option to have multiple accounts, that would solve, of course, also this issue.
Yeah, that's a nice idea. Well, QR code is basically for connecting for the first time, and in case you log out, you can connect to. And yeah, in your case, when switching between different accounts and different organizations, it's also useful. So you open the QR code, you scan it with the CiviMobile application, and then you're instantly connected.
Yeah, but when I want to use my mobile, I'm not at my computer to scan the code. Otherwise, the use of mobile is because you're not at your desk and you cannot scan the QR code.
Yeah, in this case, I think like switching between different accounts can be a useful feature too. It can be, can be amazing, and I think it will be for many organizations useful too, and especially for people who are managing a few of them within the CiviCRM.
Indeed.
Yeah, thank you for this idea.
Yep.
Thank you. Do you have any other questions, perhaps? Okay, in this case, I think we can finish our webinar. You will get the recording too. So in case you would like to rewatch it, or you get any other questions after that, you can see our address on our website. So please visit, text, get in touch, and if you have any other ideas, just feel free to share them. Thank you very much for using CiviMobile application and for being with the CiviCRM system too. And I'll be happy to welcome you at our next webinars. Bye-bye. Thank you.